Hi everybody and welcome. Today we're going to take a detailed look at the core features and industry-specific solutions offered by NetSuite. If you're new to NetSuite or thinking about using it for your business, this video will give you a strong overview of what it can do for you. Let's start by exploring the product section in detail. NetSuite's ERP is at the core of the platform, connecting all aspects of business management like financials, inventory, order management, procurement, and more. This centralization allows businesses to automate previously manual tasks. For example, a sale triggers an automatic inventory update, records revenue, and adjusts cash flow reports, minimizing errors and accelerating processes. The accounting software tools handle a company's financial management, covering areas like the general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, tax calculations, and compliance tracking. It supports multiple currencies and various regulatory standards, making it easier for businesses to expand globally. Real-time dashboards provide insights into cash flow, profits, budgets, and forecasts, while customizable automation rules can streamline tasks such as journal entries or transaction monitoring. For companies operating globally, NetSuite's One World provides a solution for managing subsidiaries across different countries. Each subsidiary can operate independently while still consolidating data into a global view. This system supports local tax regulations, currencies, and accounting standards, ensuring compliance while allowing for seamless financial reporting and intercompany transactions. NetSuite's CRM tracks all customer interactions, including email exchanges, sales, and post-purchase activities. It helps sales teams manage leads and opportunities and integrates with marketing tools to facilitate campaigns. Automated emails, reminders, and performance metrics are all part of the suite, giving teams the data they need to engage customers and drive sales. Field service teams benefit from a robust suite of tools that manage scheduling, task assignments, technician performance tracking, and inventory management on-site. NetSuite helps optimize routes, reduce idle times, and ensure that field employees are fully equipped and on time. Human capital management, HCM tools streamline the entire employee lifecycle, from hiring to retirement. It tracks employee data, payroll, performance, and time-off requests with features for recruitment, onboarding, and succession planning. The system also includes employee portals for self-service and compliance checks for labor laws and tax filings. For service-based businesses, the Professional Services Automation (PSA) feature offers tools for project management, resource allocation, time tracking, and billing. It helps manage client projects by assigning resources, tracking time, generating invoices, and forecasting future work and staffing needs. NetSuite's connectors make integration easy by syncing with popular platforms like Shopify, Salesforce, and PayPal. This reduces manual data entry by automatically importing orders, updating inventory, and syncing customer data across platforms. For retail businesses operating both online and in-store, NetSuite's omni-channel commerce feature unifies e-commerce, point-of-sale systems, inventory management, and customer records into a single platform. It supports real-time inventory updates, flexible pricing, loyalty programs, and seamless order fulfillment across multiple locations, ensuring a consistent customer experience. The analytics and reporting tools in NetSuite provide real-time insights into various business areas like finance, operations, sales, and HR. Customizable dashboards allow users to track key performance indicators, and reports can be scheduled or set to trigger alerts when certain conditions are met. With machine learning capabilities, the system can identify trends such as rising costs or declining sales. Suite Success offers pre-configured templates and workflows tailored to specific industries, helping businesses implement NetSuite faster and more accurately by reflecting best practices for their sector. The NetSuite platform enables developers to build custom scripts, workflows, and applications, tailoring the system to meet unique business needs. With scripting capabilities in JavaScript and available APIs, users can integrate with industry-specific systems or create custom approval processes and alerts. Running entirely in the cloud, NetSuite eliminates the need for businesses to manage on-premise software. Oracle handles security updates, backups, and uptime, while users can access the system from any device with an internet connection, facilitating remote work and operational flexibility. NetSuite's artificial intelligence, AI, features enhanced decision-making by automating processes like anomaly detection, sales suggestions, and cash flow predictions. For instance, the system can flag rising expenses or prompt sales teams to reconnect with inactive customers, helping businesses stay proactive. What makes NetSuite stand out is its fully integrated system, which reduces data redundancy and supports better decision-making. Built on a single code base and delivered through the cloud, NetSuite is easier to scale and manage than traditional ERP systems, providing businesses with a seamless, unified platform. That covers the core product offerings. But NetSuite doesn't stop there. They also offer tailored solutions for specific industries. Let's go over those now. Under the Industries section, you'll see a wide range of business types. NetSuite has designed tools and templates specifically for these industries, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. The first one is advertising and digital marketing agencies. These companies deal with creative projects, time tracking, and billing clients. NetSuite helps track project progress, expenses, and profitability in one place. Then we have apparel, footwear, and accessories. This solution is designed for fashion brands. It helps with product variations like size and color, seasonal collections, and inventory across retail channels. Campus stores also have their own solution. This is for college and university bookstores. It connects your store to student accounts, point-of-sale systems, and inventory management. Construction companies can use NetSuite for job costing, budget tracking, and field operations. It's ideal for contractors managing multiple projects. For consulting firms, NetSuite offers tools to manage client relationships, project delivery, and billing. Everything is organized in one system, from proposal to payment. Education providers like training centers and private schools can manage enrollments, student records, and tuition payments. In the energy industry, companies deal with complex billing and regulations. NetSuite helps streamline operations while staying compliant. Financial services firms can manage client portfolios, track investments, and handle compliance with secure data systems. Government entities can use it for procurement, budgeting, and vendor management. It helps ensure transparency and control. In the health and beauty industry, businesses manage product branding, sales, and fulfillment. NetSuite makes it easier to respond to market changes and trends. Healthcare providers, such as clinics and practices, can manage appointments, billing, and inventory of medical supplies. Its services firms benefit from NetSuite's tools for tracking recurring revenue, service contracts, and customer support. Manufacturing businesses use NetSuite for production planning, supply chain management, and inventory tracking. It supports both discrete and process manufacturing. Media and publishing companies can manage advertising sales, content subscriptions, and digital delivery all in one system. Non-profits use NetSuite to track donors, manage grants, plan events, and report on impact. It simplifies reporting to funders and boards. As you can see, NetSuite offers a wide range of tools to match nearly any business model. Whether you sell products, deliver services, or manage complex operations, there's a NetSuite solution for you.